Everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So today, as you can see, that we are going to be here to just mention few, guys, what forget about everything. I was, me now, you must be aware that I do not go and buy everything. If some things comes out in the market, I'm just going to wait to see the reviews. I'm just going to wait to see, or either I'm going to swatch it like most of us do. So these days, so this is the sets which I'm recommending. So to cut the long story short, the sets which I'm recommending for today is, if you're going to consider me, these are the bestest ones, guys. If you do not want to wear a foundation, obviously you're not going out, we are all staying at home, we are not doing anything, just staying at home due to lockdown, due to the tier restrictions. So but at least on the day of the Christmas, or maybe on the New Year's Eve, on the New Year's Day, we just don't want to do just sitting like this doing nothing, so we just want to just do something. So for those something, I think these two sets are going to be like the perfect gifting option. You can either keep all for yourself, it's so tempting, or if you want, you can take out one of these, probably give it in a Christmas bubble, or just as a Christmas cracker, something like this, under a Christmas tree, to the person, to the makeup lover in your life. Or but I would like to keep this all for myself, considering the value it comes with. I think this is one of the best I have ever seen. Trust me, guys, if you are a lipstick lover, so this first set is going to be for you. So this is like, MAC every year they does the holiday collections, like the Christmas collection during the holiday season. So for this year, I have like they have done lots of Christmas cracker. No, I think their collection was called the firecrackers or something like that. I'm going to give a text in somewhere here. So but I was not interested, because trust me, I'm not using that much of highlighter. I'm not using, they had got some nice tiny mini lipstick kits, then they have got the highlighter with the brushes kits, then they have got the lip gloss kit, as they do every year. So but I am not interested in buying highlighters. I've already got tons and loads. And but for the lipsticks, even I've got lots of lipsticks also, but considering the value, still I waited. It has launched lots of months, I think 2-3 months back it has launched, but still I waited for this to come on discount. If you can see, the RRP is £55, but still I waited for it to cut down. And it's out of stock everywhere in the MAC website. But if you, I bought this for 36.50. Yes, 36.50 for the whole kit. If you're going to see, it's considering the limited edition packaging of the full size MAC powder case lipsticks. And if I'm going to tell you one price of one lipsticks, let's start with the packaging, and then I'm going to take it more further with this. So let me open this box. Although I have just used it in one of my makeup videos, I'm wearing one of that. So you can see, very nice, like, the firecrackers. It has got all holographic print with the pink, with the purple, and the holographic. You can see it's looking lovely on its own. And gifting this one to the makeup lover in your life. No, it doesn't contain 4, it contains 5 lipsticks, which I was wearing one of them. So these are the 5 lipsticks. It comes beautifully packaged like this. And if I'm just going to tell you, and here it's again written MAC, if I'm just going to tell you, like, price for one powder kiss liquid lipstick, sorry, not liquid, price of one powder kiss bullet lipsticks, the price of one of these is £19 on its own. And buying this, I'm not going to say, even for, I bought it for 36.50. It is on 20% offer from John Lewis. I bought it from my store in John Lewis. But if you find it anywhere for £55 also, it's very worth the menu. But right now it's on 20% offer, so it has reduced from £55 to 36.50, which is a great value, considering one of these, the full size, is £19, and these are the 5 full sizes. So enough rambling about the product. So if you want, and let's start with the formula. And the lipstick I'm going to be wearing first, obviously, the lipstick which is on my lips, this is the perfect red for the holiday season, and this is called Work. So you can see, this is like the traditional MAC packaging. The traditional MAC packaging is the black one. This is the rubberized one, which the lipstick color is with the packaging. You can see that this is a blue base red lipstick. It's a perfect red lipstick. Mine, this is, so you know, the perfect blue based red. I think this is one of those. And if I'm going to talk about the formula quickly, this is like, the formula is like the perfect, I'm not going to say it's matte, it's very quite comfortable on the lips, it glides on. And for me, I'm going to take one swipe of it is going to give an opaque coverage, but I want to just give it a try with 2 swipes. So I just take it twice, and so you can see it's giving a wonderful coverage. And the formula, you know, the problem with me is I had stopped wearing matte lipstick for quite a while before I discovered these powder case lipstick, because matte lipsticks is like the matte or the retro matte ones was quite drying. I mean, flat out fabulous is one of my favorite colors, but after some time, even after applying a lip balm and something like this, I find it quite drying after some time. So I just left it. But just rediscovering these ones is just a great addition, quite comfortable, quite moussey on the lips. So this is the first one, guys. Work, work, work. Now this is the second one. This is Mulet Over. And just remember, all these comes in their permanent line of lipsticks. But if you're getting the same on offer, then why buy it? Not like that. So I'll highly recommend this set. So this is like the perfect, you can see, nice nude color. You know, it's like, I love these sorts of nudes. These are one of the nudes which is not going to wash you over. It's not going to just, it's going to give lots of color to your lips, and you're not going to feel that you are just like looking completely pale, completely gray after wearing this lip color. I think it's a perfect nude color. Stay Curious. So Stay Curious, let me just swatch it. I'm just going to swatch it. This is like more towards like the reddish orange. If you're going to compare these two, this is more towards the nudie side. This is like the more towards the reddy, the red pinkish brownish sort of shade. This again a very flattering shade. So this is Stay Curious from the cap, and you must be aware, like, this is like the proper fuchsia type of color, especially very flattering towards the summer or the hotter months. Let me just, this is the color, and the name is Fall in Love. It's not, I was thinking like it's going to be as bright as Candy Yum Yum, but it's not that bright. Surprisingly, on the lips it's looking more like the muted version of fuchsia, or you can see the comparisons between the hand swatch and the lip swatch. On the lips it's looking like a nice pinky color, but on the hands it's looking like the more, you know, vibrant type of pink, like the proper fuchsia, proper corally sort of pink. On this, on the lips, it's looking nice pinky tone, good for wearing every day as well. I think this is going to be very suitable for all across the skin tone, especially in the summer months. This is the one to go for. Fall in Love. This is the darkest of that, and this is Devoted to Chili. You might be knowing like the Chili is one of the shades from one of their most popular shades in the MAC lipstick line is Chili, and this is their powder kiss version. I'm not going to say it's a brick red, but again, you know, like if I'm going to just say, you know, you take brown and you mix a little bit of red in it. This is the best way to describe this color. Again, a very flattering shade is this one, Devoted to Chili. That's it for my 5 lipstick swatches for the Showstopper MAC Showstopper powder case lipstick set. So I will highly recommend for going for this one if you are a lover of MAC lipsticks, or you know that, and but this is a great value considering it's on 20% offer. You might be interested in checking of one of your stores of John Lewis. Now my second most important set, I just bought 2-3 set, guys. So I think because I was just surveying around the Google, what should I take? I'm just I want to apply lipsticks and eyeliner and brows. This is the things which I rarely go for. I just like to put in some concealers. As you must be knowing me, I don't like to spend a lot. So I always look around the Christmas, and especially when these sets go on offer, these are quite good value for money. So especially if you're going to calculate this, I think it's going to come around your drugstore price to be breakdown. If you're going to break down one lipstick, 5 lipsticks for 36 pound or 55 pound, it's going to be breaking down to drugstore price. The same, considering this, talking about the another good set for your money, is good value set for your money, is going to be this, like the Estee Lauder Eye Sweets eyeliner set. Now this, I think, because I love wearing eyeliners, I love brow products, I love lipsticks, but right now because I'm wearing masks, so most of the time I don't wear lipsticks, but I wear my eyeliners every day. I do my brows every day. So for this, can you see, these are the full size products, the Estee Lauder, the permanent products, and this set is available in Estee Lauder right now. When I'm talking to you, this set is available in Estee Lauder. It has been come down. It is down from 26 pound. I think it was from 26.50. Now it is for 20 pound 80 pence, near about 20 pound. So let me start with the 4 full size products. Let's start with the first one. This is the price. This is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. The price for this one is 26.50. If I am not sure, of course, then I'm going to, if I'm not sure with this price, then I'm going to put in the text, but I know that this is for 26 pound 50 on its own. Now the second one is their eyeliners. This is the 2 most popular shades which everyone loves to wear. One is the black, one is the brown, which everyone loves. So this is the Estee Lauder double wear eyeliner, and the first one is Coal Noir, like the proper blackish shade, and the second one is Espresso being their chocolate or the brownish shade. You can see this is the Espresso and this is the Coal Noir. And these eyeliner, they also come with a, you know, one of those sharpeners to sharpen the nib when they get. And this is the smudgy smudger tip if you want to do a smoky eye, or if you want to do in a very less smudgy diffused eye look. So I think these are again 2 beautiful shades, and on its own one of the eyeliners is 19 pound, or I think 19.50. so you can do your maths again. For 2, brow gel, this is again the full size, so stay in place. I never got a chance to use this one, but you can see the spoolie quite concentrated, wonderful, feels nice. So these are the 4 full sizes, guys. If you are interested, the eyeliners itself is 19 pound or 19.50. This itself, the Estee Lauder mascara, is 26 pound or 26.50, and this again for near about 20ish pound. So considering this is a great value for money, which you are just getting for 20 pound 80 pence on offer at Estee Lauder at this moment. And even if you're going to consider the full price, it's going to be 26.50. so I think if you're looking for a nice eye pencil set, I actually, the thing was, I was a toss in between, you know, the Huda eye set. So Huda has got, you know, the eye set, which they have got, I think, the Boss eyeliner, I don't know the name, but they have got the Lifeliner, I think, what's the name, so the double-ended ones. So the eyeliner and mascara, either I was looking for that one or this one, but just considering the value and Estee Lauder, I think I should go for this one, and I think I made a good decision with buying this one. The price was almost the same, 2-3 pounds here and there, but in this you're going to get 4 full-size product. On that Huda's eye kit one was just 2, and considering it's very nice quality, very nice long staying, and I'm using this black and the brown eyeliner almost every day. I'm just using it almost every day. So that's it for my recommendation for the good value Christmas gift set. If you are willing to spend, go ahead and save your bucks and use this to pamper yourself or to pamper others as well. So that's it for my video, guys. Hopefully you like this one. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel, guys. I would love to see your support. I really want my channel to grow, and I'll try to be more consistent and posting in my more videos. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye.